Foldables are about to undergo a significant change, and it appears like Samsung is subtly altering the landscape once more. Anthony claims that the next Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be one of the most sophisticated foldable upgrades in years, emphasizing significant enhancements that improve daily use rather than drastic alterations. Samsung seems to be concentrating on enhancing the core experience this time. Longer usage is anticipated with a larger 5000 mAh battery, and quick charging helps cut down on waiting times and maintain uninterrupted daytime activities. Things are getting more sophisticated in terms of design. The combination of dual-layer ultra-thin glass and a new laser-drilled metal display plate suggests a more robust and long-lasting folding screen. One of the most frequent concerns, the crease, is also anticipated to be greatly minimized, giving the display a smoother, more natural feel when used on a regular basis. Additionally, performance is significantly improving. The gadget, which is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Elite for Galaxy, is anticipated to provide enhanced efficiency, quicker performance, and a genuine flagship experience for everything from gaming to multitasking. In terms of cameras, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor is anticipated to produce crisper and more detailed images, particularly for group and landscape photographs, giving daily photography more versatility. The form factor comes next. It pushes the boundaries of how tiny a foldable device can be without sacrificing functionality, measuring only 3.9 millimeters when unfurled. Later this summer, Samsung plans to introduce 3 new foldables: the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. Samsung might not deploy its newest display technology this year, according to an ET News story. Rather, it is anticipated that all 3 foldables would continue to use the M13 OLED material, which has been used for the previous few years. In 2024, it initially appeared on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Since Samsung already has a more recent display material, the M14, which is utilized in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, that is actually somewhat unexpected. According to reports, the more recent panel is significantly brighter and more efficient, which is important for foldables where visibility and power are constantly a problem.